Hello everyone! Sometimes we want to look like a real-life anime character. May it be for Halloween, cosplay or just for fun. I'm going to show you how to quickly achieve this big eye cartoon look. So, let's start! First, I'm gonna wear anime circle lenses. They have reflections and color shades of an anime in their design, plus an eye enlarging effect. So they basically make you look like an anime straight away. These types of lenses come in various colors and designs, so there's something for everyone. This one is 14.0mm big and easier to get in your eye than other circle lenses. Next, give your eye a cartoon-like shape, like the one we see in anime. With an eyeliner, line your lash line. Don't mind making the line a bit thicker than usually, because we want the black to get noticed. Line black eyeliner along your lower lash line, but then set the line off as you get closer to the outer corner. This line will open your eyes and make them appear bigger. In the outer corner of your upper lash line, draw a small spike, so it should look like a set of lashes. Get a pair of fake lashes, ones that are thick and get longer to the outer corner of your eye. As anime characters, when they wear makeup, they wear a lot of mascara. Stick the falsies to your lash line and curl them. Use mascara to make the falsies even longer and blend them with your real lashes together. Now you have this teary anime eye look with long lashes. Anime characters actually don't wear a lot of makeup, but adding some pale blush is surely okay. As for the lips, I'm going to use a decent clementine colored lip gloss, as it doesn't stand out too much. And we're done! Have a lot of fun trying out this look. See you in my next video!